All right, so we're on to question 8. A bacteria culture containing 320 bacteria is started in a petri dish. After 6 hours, the population has grown to 1,120. Assume the bacteria growth is exponential. What is the growth rate? Round to 2 decimal places. So we're looking at growth. So we're going to use the formula for growth. Y equals A 1 plus R to the T. And it tells us what we need. We're looking for R. So let's go through and see what we have. We're starting with 320. That's A. That's our initial value. And then 6 hours goes by. That's our time. T equals 6. And the bacteria population has grown to 1120. So we're actually given this amount. That's our ending population. So 1120 equals 320, 1 plus R to the 6th power. We need to solve for R. So this is new. We haven't done this before, but this whole thing is 320 multiplied by that. So to get the 320 on the other side, we're going to divide by 320. So 1120 divided by 320 is 3.5. Let's see. 3.5, I'm going to need more space, equals 1 plus R to the 6th power. And now we're using our radicals that we've learned about. We need to get rid of the 6th power. So we're going to take the root with 6 on both sides. So root 6 gets rid of a 6 exponent. Okay, so those go away, those cancel, and we're left with 1 plus R. And then over here in your calculator, when you open up your keyboard, you only have a square root. You don't have anything with the different index. So you would go under functions and go all the way down to number theory. It's at the very, very bottom. So right here with the n square root, that's our index. So index 6 of 3.5 is 1.232. And then we want to solve for r. So 1 plus r, to get rid of the 1, we're going to subtract the 1. So r equals, we're just going to look at the decimal, 0.232. But I forget what we're rounding to. Oh, 2 decimals. So because that 2 is less than 5, it stays the same. So our growth rate is 0.23. And then we want to write our equation with any value. T could be any value. So we already have this, but we're going to leave it as y equals 320. 1 plus our r, we just found that, 0.23 to the power of t. That adds to 1.23. And then y and function notation, these are the same. It doesn't matter which one you write. So here we would have 320. Well, let me put in the growth rate. 0.23 is our growth rate. And then this is just asking for the growth equation. So 320 times 1.23 to the power of t. And make sure it matches before you check. And they're both right.